to Neve's Life, and today we're gonna be making slime. So let's we're gonna add some clear glue. Now we're gonna add a few drops of this till it goes into slime. I think let's mix.
My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beauty focus EOU. Ooh, you, ooh, I'd leave it all. My acres of land.
I think we need some more glue to get it to stick together, because I don't think it's turning out because we've not got enough glue. Or it's like this, because I might have added a bit too much of this, but not enough glue. So I've added some white glue off camera, and it's not really slime, but it's getting there. And now we're going to add some white beads. Like there. Now we're going to mix foam beads so they don't all pop out. Not very good because I keep making holes. But yeah. So, I think we've mixed them, so I think this is our slime.
My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beauty focus EOU. Ooh, you, ooh, I'd leave it all. My acres of land I've achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you, ooh, I'd leave it all. Ooh, for you, ooh, I'd leave it all. And give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. My many artifacts, the list goes on. If you just say the words, I'll up and run. Oh, to you, ooh, I'd leave it all.
Good boy. Well, I love you so much today. He dropped it because he knew he was in trouble. Good boy. No, don't do that again.
Look what he had.
Video. Human now.
It's to make it really nice. Oh.
If you enjoyed this video, see you next time. Bye.